An electric heater contains a heating element of length 1.1 meter and cross sectional area 3.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square, through which electric charge flows. The wire is embedded within an electrically insulating material that is contained within a metal casing. The wire becomes hot in response to the flowing charge and hits the casing. The material of the wire has resistivity 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter at 320 degree Celsius, and coefficient of resistivity, temperature coefficient of resistivity is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 per degree Celsius. Determine the resistance of heater wire at an operation temperature of 420 degree Celsius. Find the resistivity at 420 degree Celsius and also resistance at 420 degree Celsius. So here they have given resistivity at the initial temperature, that is 320 degree Celsius. It is given 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter. T1 is given, it is 320 degree Celsius. T2 is given, it is 420 degree Celsius. You need to find rho 2 and then R2 at 420 degree Celsius. Alpha is given, it is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 per degree Celsius. So we know that rho 2 is equal to rho 1 into 1 plus alpha into T2 minus T1. This is same formula as that of resistance, temperature variation of resistance. Replace resistance by resistivity, we will get this. So rho 2 is equal to, substitute, rho 1 is 6.8 into 10 power minus 5 into 1 plus alpha is 2 into 10 power minus 3 into T2 is 420, T1 is 320. So we will get rho 2 is equal to 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 1 plus 420 minus 320 is 100. 100 into 10 power minus 3 is 10 power minus 1. So 10 power minus 1 into 2 is 0.2. So that will be 6.8 into, this will be 1.2 into 10 power minus 5. So rho 2 will be equal to 8.16. 6.8 into 1.2 is 8.16 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter. So this is resistivity at 420 degree Celsius. This is one part that they had asked for. Next, you need to find resistance. So now R2 is equal to rho L divided by A. Since it is R2, it should be rho 2 L by A. So R2 should be equal to, rho 2 is 8.16 into 10 to the power minus 5. Length of the wire they have given, it has 1.1 meter. Area of cross section they have given, it is 3.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. So simplify this. If you simplify, you will get it to be 29 ohm. So this is resistance at 420 degree Celsius.